Hey boys and girls, Mrs. Rollins here, and I am going to read you a story today called Mouse's First Spring. You excited? Me too. Alrighty, so Mouse's First Spring. We have been given permission to read this from Scholastic, so thank you, Scholastic. Mouse's First Spring. One windy spring day, Mouse and Mama went out to play. There in the grass, Mouse found something glittering and flittery. What could it be? Mouse wondered. Look, said Mama, a butterfly. I know that y'all been spending more time outside. Who else has seen butterflies? Then whoosh, the wind blew, and fluttery, buttery, the butterfly flew away. There under a leaf, Mouse found something slithery and slimy. What could it be? Wondered Mouse. Look, said Mama, a snail. Who's been finding snails outside? Then whoosh blew the wind, and hidey and sidey, the snail hid away. Goodbye, snail. There on a branch, Mouse found something feathery and plump. What could it be? Mouse wondered. Look, said Mama, a bird. Okay, this next page, I'm going to hide the picture so you have to guess. Then swish blew the wind, and dip, flip, flap, the bird darted away. Okay, this is where I'm going to hide. There by the pond, Mouse found something green and peeping. What could it be? Wondered Mouse. By the pond, green and peeping. What could it be? Take a guess. Look, said Mama, a frog. If you guessed frog, you were right. Then whoosh blew the wind, and splishity splash, the frog hopped away. Did y'all see it? There in the dirt, Mouse found something pink and wiggly. What could it be? Wondered Mouse. Look, said Mama, a worm. Then whoosh blew the wind, and squiggly squeeze, the worm slid away. There on a stem, Mouse found something sweet and petally. What could it be? Wondered Mouse. Look, said Mama, a flower. Then whoosh blew the wind, and rumply bumply, Mouse tumbled away. Uh-oh, what happened to Mouse? Then all around, Mouse felt something soft and cuddly and oh so cozy. What could it be? Wondered Mouse. Smooch came a kiss, and ooch came a hug. It's me, said Mama. Spring is here, little mouse, and I love you. What a sweet little book. So cute. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.